Is your child curious about the world beyond textbooks? Do you want them to be prepared for life's adventures? Well, let me introduce you to Beyond School, the engaging learning platform that empowers children to explore essential topics not typically covered in classrooms. Beyond School goes beyond academics, fostering a love of learning that extends far and wide. At Beyond School, we offer interactive modules on various topics, including mental health, financial literacy, home management, sex education, cooking, disaster preparedness, and environment awareness. Each Beyond School module offers engaging content. Take mental health, for example. We use child-friendly language and relatable scenarios to equip them with valuable skills. Beyond School isn't just about lectures. We incorporate fun videos, images, and content to solidify understanding and make learning enjoyable. Each module contains a simple video to give a clear explanation of the topic, followed by content that is easy to understand for children. From teaching about cleaning your space using the KonMari method, the importance of sex education through child-friendly content, to exploring various recipes for cooking, we have you covered. Beyond School empowers children to become confident learners, equipped with the knowledge and skills to navigate real-world challenges. We also aim to teach important life skills like preparing a first aid kit in times of disaster, and information about the Earth and climate change are also taught in efficient ways for kids to understand. The user interface you see and interact with was built using the web development trifecta: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Stuck on a concept? Beyond School has you covered. We integrate the powerful Gemini AI chatbot using the Google Generative AI Node.js library. This allows children to ask questions and receive concise answers in a way that's both engaging and informative. As you see, the chatbot is designed to be child-safe and ensure children's questions are answered, making sure it's interactive and keeps them interested. Thank you.